name?
Janahitha.
Why this? What is this project?
Sound-based moving rover.
Why this project?
We have seen the rovers which moves with buttons, but this rover moves with the sound. This is just to show that with the sound we can make the things to particular task automatically.
What required parts in this project?
As you know, it is a microcontroller which controls every part connected to it.
See here.
Sound sensor, it sends the sound waves with a range of 10 centimeters DC gain motor. It helps the rover to move.
Okay. Okay. Can you?
Motor driver, it controls the motors with small caster battery or the connecting wires battery chassis.
Oh, great. Can you pick this one? Can you pick this? Okay.
Just hold it in your hands.
Yes. Can you explain parts? What is this?
Show which is motor, battery.
Battery holder.
Okay. What is this?
Whiz.
What is this? Okay. Tell me what. Okay.
Arduino, you know.
Ordinary.
Arduino. You know. Chassis.
Ball caster. Down one. The wheel. Small one.
Ball caster.
Connecting wires. Show me the connecting wires.
Connecting
Connecting wires. Show me the wires.
was
Ah. Where's the battery? Show how it works.
Oh, God.
It's not coming.
it's not coming.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.